Hello everyone, my name is Atharo and this I'm here to explain about the Admin AI generation pipeline. So basically this is the UI of the video generation pipeline. So if you take here, so user just needs to provide a prompt. For example, create a ad for perfume set in Washington DC with the exact people in ref runs images. So that's what we add. For example, then you'll add your reference images here. For example, you'll add one, you'll add AI generated girl here, you'll add the product image here. So and after that, this is just the video title, so it can be demo video as well. And brand name, for example, it's like Chanel, Himalayan tan. So let's use DC because we are generating a video in DC. And you will just click on generate advertisement. So when you click on generate advertisement, it starts the agent conversations, which if I take you to the gallery, you might be able to see that. So in the meantime, I'll take you through how the agents work with each other. So I have created a Merman diagram for that. So when user submits the request, first of all, the and it uploads the reference images. So after the reference images are uploaded and user clicks submit, first of all, the reference images are saved for the further use. So after that, then there is a vision analysis agent where the reference images are sent. So use vision analysis agents creates uses the images and converts them into text and basic description of the image, where we extract the character and product details. Then we have the story generation phase. In the story generation phase, we have two agents: a story director agent and story critic agent. So the story director agents writes a complete cohesive story for the whole advertisement, and then it goes to the story critic, and critic gives a score and gives a feedback there. So if the score is greater than 85, then it just goes to the final story. That's the final story. But if it is less than 85, it iterates for three times. And if it is like either yes or max iteration, it goes to the final story. And this panel story then goes to scene generation phase, where we generate the scene stories for each different scenes in our video. So scene generation starts with like a scene writer agent, so he writes each scene, and then each scene is written, and then the scene critic agent critiques each scene. And this is similar to the what we did in the story, and here it loops for multiple times. And we already have gotten the number of scenes extracted from the story which was created earlier. So we have the number of scenes here, and till the time all the scenes are generated, uh, it loops here. And once it is done, it will go to the scene cohesion agent, which checks for basic cohesion. So if the videos are cohesive, it fills and it's more than 85, so it goes ahead. Otherwise it reiterates again this, and it makes fine changes in the next implementation. Then this we take different scenes, and we send them to scene enhancement agent, which optimizes it for VO31, which is our main model which we use in our pipeline. Then there is a scene aligner agent which checks for visual consistency, for example the lighting, the camera tone, and like what filters we are using in. Then there is appearance sanitization agent. It removes some redundant descriptions. Along with that, sometimes the story written is sometimes inappropriate, so it handles that as well. And then this enhanced video parameters which we have after this are sent to video generation via API. So each scene, all these scenes are generated in parallel after this, because we already have a cohesive story, and so all the videos are generated in parallel. And once all videos are generated, it goes to the video stitcher, which applies transitions and effects between different videos and generates stitches them together and generates us a final video. And finally we upload it to S3, which is where our videos are stored. So that is how the pipeline works. So if you go to the front end, you can see here that you will be able to see the LLM conversations on the front end as well. So because, for example, here you can see the LLM conversation history. So user can like read the story, and if user is happy with it, he can go forward, or he can like regenerate as well. There is another mode here which is called a creative interactive mode. So when you click on interactive mode, in the story generation phase, the user can give input and make changes there itself, which will do what, that he does not have to generate a video, wait for the video, and then see that he does not want that video. So that is like an evolving feature for us. uh, that is it for the pipeline part. And we also have an editor if user wants to manually edit the videos, but I guess user will not have to manually edit the videos if he uses our pipeline. Thank you.